everyone. I am shooting another episode today, and in this episode I am going to talk to you about a table setting. I've already got the chargers on the table already. This is a galaxy kind of out of the space tablescape that I'm doing. And since I've already started on the chargers, I am going to go ahead and do the dinner plates that are in gray. So it looks like space gray. And then these cool galaxy salad plates are going on top of that. And then I'm gonna take the napkins. I found this fabric while I was shopping, and I bought a couple yards of it, but what I'm gonna use it for, I love the steel gray of it. And then it's got this iridescent hue. I don't have to do it round. I can kind of do it a little bit off. And then I'm going to take my pieces. And I'm using globes everywhere. And I'm going to fill these with water. And then, of course, I'll end up doing some votives around it. Aren't these cool? They're amazing. I'm gonna fold the napkins. And again, I'm gonna try to do this like the band. Because I couldn't do it on the last shoot because it was too thick, but I like the band like this. I'm gonna do it for the rest of the other pieces. I recently visited Kris Jenner, and we were having chit chat about entertaining and, table settings and beautiful florals. And, this lady is an amazing woman that I admire and have the honor of knowing her. And she has given me such great advice throughout my whole career that this tablescape is kind of an homage to Kris, for saying to me, you're super creative, work on a tablescape, entertaining aspect, and this is one for you, Kris. So I'm doing the table setting, the flatware now. But if you haven't seen my picture on Instagram with Kris Jenner, go on Insta and see that wonderful photograph of us having that conversation, beautiful conversation together. This is a fun one because people think that gray and gold don't go together. I always get that question, does silver and gold go together? And I'm like, of course they do. And I get to do my glassware. Correct, right? It's water, wine, champagne, correct? I already filled water in this one, so this one already has water. I am back, and I have this spring rye that is colored in a rose gold. I think it just architecturally, it's interesting, as it has a cool effect to it. It's not fussy, it's not florally, but yet it's architecturally interesting. You have to be careful, make sure it doesn't, go on somebody's face. This galaxy theme is pretty awesome. It's cool. I'm gonna clean the table. Ooh. I have my hydrangeas. I'm gonna make a cluster and put it in this bubble bowl. Let me go back and let me get some orchids. I'm taking the carnation heads and putting them individually in those holes of this vessel. Look at that. That's cool already right there. It almost looks like one of the planets, right? In my world it does. Let me pull out some more. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. The crazy stuff I come up with. That was the last of that. Carnations. And now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take some blue roses. So I'm pulling out some of these blue dyed roses that I'm gonna go back and place in this orb. And then I'm gonna take 2 Vanda orchids. And place them here. And then I'm gonna take my other Vanda orchids and I'm just gonna lay it flat on the place setting. And by the time I'm done, I still have to layer the candles and light the candles for this tablescape. And let me now put the candles in here. Oh my God, look at this. So rich. I mean, who doesn't want to have a seat at this table, right? I sure do. Let me clean out the table. Move this over. And look how gorgeous of this galaxy outer space tablescape came out. I mean, there's nothing about this that no one can say it's so ugly. Look at the textures, look at the layers, look at the colors. You know, thanks to my friend Chris Jenner, who's always given me great advice, and this is one to her, and she gave me the inspiration to do this tablescape. So again, thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. You can find me on all social media, and I'm just gonna say peace out, and thank you for joining me.